what if I ask you to print the what will be the age after 2 years? Then you need to add 2 with this age variable, right? So let us try that. I'll add plus 2 with the age variable, and let us run the code again. Then we need to insert our name, then let's say age is 4. Now here we are getting an error, and it is saying type error, can only concatenate string, not integer to string. Means when we use the plus operator between two string, that the operation known then the operation known as concatenation. Let me show you. Let us say we want to print, say, my name class is a programmer, and let me run the code. Now first of all, let me comment these 4 lines because for this example we don't need that, and let me run the code. And you can see that it is printing this full line in a single sentence. So what is going on here is this is a string and this is also a string, and this plus is called a operator or a concatenation operator for a string which joins multiple number of strings. So you can see that it is joining this first string and the second string and printing it together, and there is no space, so we can add one like this and run the code again, and space is added here. So the plus operator works as a concatenation operator in between two string, but we can concatenate two string only, not a string with a number. So let us get back to our previous problem. Let me comment this name because we need something, we are only interested in the age variable. Let me run the code again, and if I insert 3, then it is saying that can only concatenate string to string, not integer. So the concatenation operator plus works between two string only. We cannot concatenate a number with a string. Now what the problem is? So problem is with the age variable. So let us check the type of the age variable. We know that how we can check the type of a variable. So let us print the type of variable age, and let me run the code again. If we enter a numeric value, then also it is returning a class of string. The age that is being stored in the computer memory, and the data type of the age variable is of type string. So you cannot add a number, a integer variable with a string.